What's going on there, Fast and Furious fans? I am falling. Go to Dom Dub's page right now and get your Racer's Edge t-shirts, ladies and gentlemen. They're going to a good cause. We're gonna get this Jetta out here to Los Angeles and put it right here in front of Toretto's Market. So go to Dom Dub's page, order your t-shirt now, and I'll show you the back. I can't really show you the back, but it's cool. It says Racer's Edge. How can you not like that? Cheers.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Dom here, and today it's not going to be a crazy kind of video where we are actually building cars and whatsoever. Today we are just going to talk about something really cool. So as you may know, I've been working with CSR, the racing game, for quite some time now, and I was some sort of technical advisor on the Fast and Furious cars, and they use some of my cars to actually recreate the Fast and Furious cars in the game, such as the Eclipse, the Jetta, and now, most recently, the Maxima. And the reason why I want to talk to you about the Maxima, it's because we actually put the Maxima in the game, and the car was released about a month ago, as I'm recording this video, and it's super cool. I think by far this is the most accurate car in the game, with all the details, the sound system, the hood, everything. And I want to show you how we are doing this, how we did it. And I was the one in charge of taking thousands of pictures of the car, and then I sent all of those pictures to the CSR team, which then convert everything into a 3D car. And also, note to mention, there's a few more Fast and Furious cars that has been added to the game too. So Leon R33, as you can see on the screen right now, we've got Letty's 240, we've got Johnny Trennis 2000, the Jetta, the Eclipse, also the Supra is there. There's a bunch of Fast and Furious cars. So if you're a Fast and Furious fan, you definitely need to check CSR Racing right now. So without further ado, let's roll a clip of me taking a bunch of pictures of the Maxima. Let's go.
Flashback.
For today, we are going to take the Fast and Furious Jetta. We are going to the warehouse to pick up the Maxima because you may remember in the past, I don't want to mention the name of the game right now, but you may have seen my Jetta and my Eclipse in a popular racing game. They actually used the car to 3D model the cars in game. And one of the guy there sent me an email, and he told me, well, your Maxima is awesome. We would love to put the Maxima in the game. So today we are going to actually do a special photo shoot of the Maxima. So many pictures, in fact, that they are going to be able to 3D render the car from pictures. Anyway, I'm going to run you through all the steps that I'm going to do to make this car into the game. So the first step is actually to take thousands of pictures of the car myself, and then I'm sending the picture to them, and then they are going to make their magic happen, and they are going to put the car in the game. So without further ado, let's jump in the Jetta and let's go to the warehouse. Okay, so the shop is locked, the car's outside, and it's dirty. Look at this, such a shame. But anyway, and it's a mess inside, but let's go to the warehouse with this car. I feel like, you know, taking the Jetta to a photo shoot with the Maxima is just fun. So we are, and the funny thing, we are literally like 2 minutes away from the warehouse. So let's go to the warehouse. Okay, so we just arrived at the warehouse. As you can see, like my shop is literally like not even 2 minutes away from here. So we are inside the warehouse. The Maxima is right over here. I'm going to remove the cover, and we are going to bring it outside because the lighting here is not all that great. And then I'm going to run you through all the steps that I need to do in order to create the perfect rendering, if it's the word. Anyway, let's do this. By the way, this is the old cover for the Eclipse, and it's just like a perfect fit for the Maxima. It's awesome. So I'm going to show you what I need to do in order to make this photo shoot. We need to take pictures of every step of the car, like all around the car, the lights, when they are open, when they are off, everything. And there's like a checklist of all the details that I need to do. So I'm going to review everything in here and start shooting. And hopefully I won't get caught by the rain, because we are supposed to be getting rain within the next 45 minutes. Yeah, so let's go. Quite extensive. I've been taking pictures of the car for the past hour or so, and we're not even there yet. I mean, let me explain to you. So right now I'm doing this. So this is the photo shoot checklist. So far I've been through all of this, including the liver and decals, and then I need to take pictures of each and every detail of the tires, the interior, even the pedals. I mean, and the mats. That's how crazy that is. Really hope my battery won't die on me. And these pictures in this camera are super freaking high quality. But this is what we've done with the Jetta a couple of years ago. So we are redoing the same thing with this Maxima. Honestly, it feels awesome, because right now in the world there's like two Maximas. There's a real one and there's that one. And I feel blessed, honestly, that they decided to use my work for their game. It's awesome. And the other thing that I need to do, there's someone doing a burnout. Anyway, the other thing that I need to do, I need to shoot a video of the opening of the hood, so that way we will recreate that somehow in the game. So you'll be able to walk around the car and see the engine, the trunk setup, the subwoofer, everything. Okay. So I'm in the car right now, and just to show you how extensive that list is, I need to, now I'm doing pictures of the interior, and now I need to do the internal door frame, internal door seals, door hinges, door panel, 3/4 view of driver door, 3/4 view from passenger door, parcel shelf in the back with the PlayStation and everything, rear of the center console, the seat belts and attachment, everything, like every single detail is gonna be in pictures. I'm pretty sure in the world it's going to be the first time an air Spencer air freshener is going to be taken in picture like 10 times just for this, and probably the first time it's actually in a video game. It's gonna be fun little detail, but still need to do. I just did the steering wheel and the buttons, and now I need to do steering wheel column, indicator stalks, top of the dashboard, dial cluster, dash details, dials on, dials off, air vents. I mean, everything. I need to, if you got like, for instance, if you're doing like a more, a newer kind of car, you need to do even the, when you're, you know, the startup procedure on the car, the new cars, like my Type R. If you're watching my videos with the Type R, you see that when I get into the car and I press the start button to start the engine, you can see all the screen function and everything lighting up. You need to take pictures of that too, so they can replicate all of that in the game. Anyway, it's gonna be awesome, that's for sure. It's gonna be, I think, the first time a Maxima, like a 4th gen Maxima, is going to be in a video game. So I'm pretty excited about this. So I'm going to continue my work, and hopefully I'll be done by the next hour or so.